Hey guys, the PC's done and it looks awesome. Big reveal, let's go. Look at that, it is sweet. It's sitting next to my computer, which, you know, is rainbow puke because I lost the remote for it. But it's even got a little bit RGB on the graphics card. We've got two giant 140mm fans here and then a 120 in the back. Got this sweet cooler from Arctic. It's pretty nice. Obviously, we're running the Corsair Vengeance. Let's go. If you want me to build you guys a PC, link is in my bio. Under Sakoto PCs, it's in my link tree. And buy a PC, bro. Just buy a PC. Let's go.